I did specific supplier material.
1 second, sorry. Specific supplier what?
Material cost.
And we do equals if.
If, yes, and then I highlighted, like, again, D5 equals summary to like where the supplier name is, anchor it, then return.
And did you do time material cost or something?
Yeah, hold on. Why didn't it work? Why is it giving me a hard time and not working?
Terms. What should we do for you?
Hold on. Give me 1 second. Doesn't want to. It doesn't want. Oh, there. It worked. I got like a 3 on the first one.
What the heck? I did something wrong. Let me see here. So you went if. Dang it. Okay. So you went if D5 equals. Then you went back to the summary sheet. Supplier name, correct?
I put if, and then I put D5, which is like the supplier's name, equals the summary where I have the supplier's name,
Indicate.
and anchor that. Then I put comma.
Okay.
Then five.
What was that?
Then I put E5, like comma E5,
Oh, okay.
and then comma double parenthesis double quote.
What the heck? All mine showed up blank. Did yours do that as well?
No, I have numbers. Here, let me show you the formula. Hold on.
Yeah, I'm missing something on the formula or something.
Let's see. Where's my screen? There. Share my screen. Okay, so right here, if D5.
I can't see your screen yet.
You can't see it?
No, I can't yet.
Let me see. Oh, maybe because I need to push share. Can you see it?
Yes.
Let me try to make it bigger. If I can. Okay, let me exit. Okay. So this one right here. So I put if equals if, and then I put D5.
Okay, let me see. E equals D5 equals
the summary sheet.
Somebody did wrong. 1 second.
I selected that one where I have the summary sheet.
equals summary. That's my issue. Okay.
And then do you anchor that?
Yeah.
And then comma,
Okay.
and then I put equals E5,
5. Okay.
comma,
And then the double blanks.
and then the double
Yeah, the blank. Yeah, the double.
enter. And if you drag it, you should get a 3 on the first one.
I got 2.76.
Oh, it's probably because I took the,
Oh, you have it rounded?
I have it rounded, but look, 2.76. Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah. I think I'm gonna have to do rounded, because otherwise I get 0 on the ones that are.
Yeah, if you bring everything out to do 2 decimal points, it should give you.
No, even the ones that we have under 1.
So that's what mine looks like.
All right, perfect.
Okay. And then we can go to.
Then we have to go to the summary sheet. Okay, hold on.
Go. Material.
And create an average. I did it wrong, so hold on. Like I put material cost and average and standard deviations. So equals average of this column right here. Enter. I got 20. You know what? It's gonna.
1 second.
No. Wrong.
That one you just did the average of the whole row we just did, correct? For the whole column.
Yes. You got 20?
Yes. 1 second. I got 20.15.
It's probably because I have 20.15. Yes. Okay, and then equals standard. And it's the single one that we use, right? Oh no, the regular is.
Would you like some more? Say more, Mom.
I got 81.83.
Would you like some more meat?
Hold on, give me 1 second. I'm doing it right now. $81.83.
Correct.
Sweet.
Do you want a carrot?
Cool. And that's what we need for number A or letter A, correct?
Correct. Yes.
Okay. Case for B says, or for note, the following tasks B through D should be done for all items, not by supplier.
So pretty much for B, we have to calculate all shipping methods, how many items.
Okay.
Yeah, have 4 cells on the summary sheet, each one with a label next to it reflecting each of the 4 shipping methods. The 4 cells calculate how many items are shipped with each respective method. The summary sheet, and we need, let me see.
So I put like air, truck, optional, and rail. Those are the 4 items.
optional.
Yes.
Let me see here. This is what's, I'm not sure if it's right. 4 cells,
Okay.
the label next to it, referencing, reflecting each of the 4 shipping methods. The 4 cells, how many items are shipped
One more.
each.
So this is what I did
Say more, Mom. Don't yell at Mommy.
for my summary sheet.
I won't think you. You just have to say
I
more.
just created shipping type, and I put air, truck, and then I put items. And then on my regular sheet here, and I did like items by air. I think I'm just gonna put items by air, and then like items by rail.
Okay. Wesley.
And truck. Although I think I just did truck on here. I think it's gonna be optional. I'm sure. It's a truck. Need to have it in the R, air, truck, optional, and rail.
Wait, what were you doing to your summary sheet? Let me see here.
Okay, so
You're
this is
doing, oh, items by air, items by truck, items by. Okay.
optional and rail. And then on the data sheet, I just put, because I don't know how else to combine it, because if we move one, we're going to move the other one. So I just decided to do 4 columns. So by this one, I did the same formula. If G5 equals to air on my summary, then give me this. If not, give me blank.
Equals if air equals S.
More.
And anchor that.
Yeah. Then you went comma.
Give me the inventory.
I need it to food feed myself.
Did you just click on the current inventory still at 54?
Yes, I click on the current, so it gives me the cell.
Okay. Then you went comma. Then you did the blank.
And then I did the double. And so the first one gave me 54. And then I just dragged it.
What the heck am I doing wrong? I got a blank number again.
Did you?
Just blank all the way down.
Oh. Let's try it. So equals if
Parentheses. G5
G5 equals
equals.
your summary sheet where air is.
Yeah. Just click on air. That's what I have.
And then anchor it,
Comma.
comma.
And I
Then
did.
click F5,
Okay.
comma,
Yeah.
double blank, close parentheses.
Yeah, that's what I did. Did you do, let me see here. Did you just click on air itself or did you click on how many items on there?
No, I click on the self. Like, look, I click on G5. I didn't put air.
Well, for no, for your summary. Did you already count did you already do the number of?
For my summary, I click here for the formula, and this one I just did the sum of that column.
Yeah, I think that's what is wrong. So air sum.
For the items?
I'm missing something here. Let me see.
This is my summary sheet for that.
Did you, let me see. What did you sum up then? You summed up just the shipping type?
Yeah, I just sum up this column.
Equals sum.
Equals. But that's after you get this number.
That's after you got what number?
After I got the items organized by in the column. Like we have to get the 4 columns ready before we can do the sum.
What was that?
I said we have to get these items ready, like the items separated by the type before we can do the sum.
Yeah. I just don't know why it's not giving me a number. Got the specific supplier, I guess. Specific supplier. Material costs, I need items by air. But for a reason, it's not giving me a total.
And you have that? The same formula that I have in my screen?
Yeah, if G5 equals summary of that, comma, F5, I try again real quick, equals G5, no, wait, see, equals F, comma, G5.
No, wait. If, open parentheses,
Yeah,
G. Oh, okay.
that's what I meant, sorry. Yeah. Okay. So if open parentheses G5 equals, go to summary, click on air, anchor it.
Comma.
Comma, then you clicked on F5, correct?
Yes.
F5.
Comma. And then the double apostrophes. Did it give you anything?
I don't know. It's being frustrating.
Did it give you 54 or no?
I don't know. It's
If it's not working, this is what you can do also. You can grab your supplier materials and just drag it across. And then just change the sales types. For example, here, I dragged it. And instead of putting, I want G5, so instead of H5, I just put a G5.
Yeah, this is driving me nuts because what it keeps doing for me is whenever I click on, like, go to the summary and click on it, and then I go back to my data tab, it puts in the data number instead of my summary one.
Oh.
I don't know what's doing that. Does that make sense?
So when you put it, it keeps going.
Yeah, so when I have it, so when I'm on my data page, it says if open parentheses G5 equals data F3. But when I'm at my summary, it says if open parentheses G5 equals summary F3. I
Okay,
don't know
no,
why
because
it's,
right, you have to. Did you input air, truck, optional, and everything by hand, or did you put a formula on your summary?
on my summary.
Uh huh. You wrote in
I
the
just wrote
names,
an
right?
arrow. Do I need to put in the actual?
You need to put the actual name, like air, truck, optional.
Yeah, I didn't put in the formula. I just typed air, truck,
Oh,
rail, truck.
because then it should.
Yeah, because that's what it's doing is G5.
Let me see your screen. Let me see your formula. Maybe we're missing something, or maybe it's reading it.
I'll show you here 1 second.
Okay.
Can you see my screen?
Let me open my wider. Okay, let's see. Okay, let's here.
So I'll go if.
Mm-hmm.
Then I'll click G5.
Oh,
Equals,
click on the cell instead of typing it. See if that will work better.
What do you mean for G5?
Just click on the cell instead of typing it in.
Well, that's what I did. I hit
You did?
G5.
Okay, equals.
Yeah, equals. Then I need to go to my summary tab.
And
I'll
click there.
that.
Yeah. And then
Anchor
put comma. Before you move, put comma. There you go.
That was my issue. I forgot to put a comment. Then I moved.
And then click on the comma.
Um,
There you go.
there we go. No, so stupid. Anyway.
Sorry.
Well, no, you're fine. It's frustrating me because I'm like, I don't know why that's need a comma, I guess. Whatever.
Yeah, it is.
Cool. Okay. So now I can go to summary and I can hit
And now we can go, and do equal sum.
Okay, I got 37623.
Yes, 37623. Yes, that's what I got.
Awesome.
And now we gotta do the same procedure for all the other ones.
Yeah. For this, did you click G5 again, or did you click the rail?
Yes, I did. I did the same. I did equals G5
Equals rail, comma. Wait, let me anchor it first. Comma. Then you did 54 or F5 again.
Yes.
I got blank on the first one, and the second one I got 93.
Okay, hold on. Let me. Are you doing which one are you doing? Truck, optional, or rail?
Oh, sorry, I did rail.
Okay, let me do rail. I haven't done rail.
Which one did you do?
I did the other two.
Okay.
Hold on. But one of my formulas is not going. Why is it not grabbing? Oh, it's because I didn't anchor it. I was like, why is my formula not grabbing? I didn't anchor it. I tell you. The little commas and the anchoring just gets me.
On the first exam.
How did I do?
Yeah, did you do well on it?
I don't know. I haven't seen my grade.
Oh, really?
Mm-mm.
I
Wait,
got mine back.
did
I was the analysis one, like the decision analysis.
oh, when did you get yours back?
I got mine back like yesterday. I think I saw it.
I need to go in and see.
Yeah.
Okay, now it's working. There we go. Okay, on negative rail equals if
Equals sum. You have them you have all the item number.
oh, almost. Hold, give me 1 second.
Okay.
Okay, so I have for air, I have 37,623. For rail, I have 85,320. For
Which one?
option
For rail?
for rail, 85,320.
I have 85,413.
Oh, that's not good. Let's see. What do you have for the other two?
For truck, I have 63666.
Yes, I got that.
And then for optional, I have 86038.
Oh, not even. I have 81. Okay, let me see.
Okay.
Okay, so for rail, hold on. This is what I'm gonna do to make sure I didn't get any sort by A through C. I have all the A's, all the optionals are selected. I have all the rails selected and all the trucks selected. Let me say something.
Did you use the 54 for each one? Like the F5 for everyone?
Yes.
do something wrong? Let me check mine. Which ones do we have?
Okay.
Let's see here. Which ones do we have that aren't the same as rail and optional that are different?
Rail,
Right?
yeah, rail and optional.
Let me try mine again. Some. The heck this one? Yeah.
I get the same numbers.
Yeah, me too.
Let me see. Let me do this. Let me sort it by A through C on the actual column for the shipping type. Sort by A through C. Okay, look, I sorted by A through C. Do you have air from 5 all the way to
I have air from 5 to
73?
73. Yep.
Okay, and
And
then
I
optional.
have optional till 124.
Yes.
And then I have rail
And
from
that's it.
I have rail till 182.
Yes, it's the same.
Then I have truck for till 242.
2. Yeah, it's the same. Do we have different values or what?
I don't know.
You start with optional at 373.
What was that?
It's your first value for optional 373. Yeah, should
Yeah,
be.
373. Then rail is 93.
Yeah.
And truck is 50.
Yes.
And then, yep.
No. Huh. And I don't know why we have different numbers. Let's see.
Check your formula. Make sure that, I guess, maybe you didn't use the same input on accident.
That's what I'm about to.
Yeah, because all mine are different inputs.
Yeah, I put here I have sum equals sheet 1L, and then column for truck is column M, for optional is column N, and for rail is color O. Because we're supposed to have the same numbers.
Yeah, I don't know what's going on.
I don't know that one.
I don't think I hit anything wrong. Let me see.
No, because we're just adding, and it's returning the same value that they have for inventory, so it's not like we mess with those numbers.
Yeah, let me see. Huh.
And
Oh,
that was
well.
check I returned, huh? I don't know. that it returned the same number, but it is. So I don't know. All right, let's keep going.
Yeah.
Figure it out. Yeah. Okay, so number C. What does number C says?
Now we have to do the same 4 again, and now we have to do an average. So, calculate the average lead time for all items that are shipped.
Okay, so average.
So I guess we do the same thing we would do earlier, except instead of
Yes. Instead of coming back with the inventory, it will come back with the lead time.
if G5 equals comma lead time.
I'm just going to copy and paste. Equals return. H.
Let's see here.
This congeniality.
Do you got 32 for the average for air?
What was that? Yeah, 32.
Mm-hmm.
For a second, I thought you said 22. It's like, oh my gosh, no. Yeah, I got 32. I just rounded everything to a whole number.
Okay.
So I got 32 for air. I got 41 for rail, 42 for truck, and 45 for optional.
Okay, let me see.
Is that what you got?
I'm getting. Hold on. Got 32 for air, 42 for truck, 44 for optional, and 41 for rail.
I got 45 for optional.
45.
Yeah. And then I got 41 for rail, correct?
Yes.
Okay.
Hmm.
You said, what did you get for optional?
42 and 5. 44.
Yeah, I got 45.
And oh. Okay, let me. I don't know. Everything's highlighted. Average. Okay, and then we have to create a table, huh?